What's up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we will be comparing a $20 kendama with a $100 kendama. Also, I may not be 100% correct on all these, but I'll try to do my best comparing both of them. Okay, so for the first kendama, we have this chrome pop. This is a $20 kendama. The paint is rubber with a 70-30 split on the tama. This is beechwood, both the ken and the tama. And I think that rubber is a common paint used on cheaper kendamas. Not that it's a bad thing, but that's what I've noticed. These, I believe, are made overseas and then mass produced. But overall, it's still a really good kendama for beginners and advanced players. As you can see, it comes with the holographic seal. I've played this one a lot, so the spike is pretty flat. It's pretty beat up. Also, the quality of wood may not be the best, but it's still pretty decent. Beech is more commonly used for cheaper kendamas because I guess it's easier to make and it's not the most durable wood, but it's really good for stalls. And for the $100 kendama, we have this Grain Theory Maple Ken and Ash Tama. This is the GT2. These, I believe, are made in the US. Grain Theory is known to be a company that has very high quality kendamas, and it shows. The quality of their woods are very good. That's why it's so expensive in the first place. This is what it looks like, the shape. Very nice shape, their newest shape. And then the tama has the triple burn lines, a pretty big bevel. And because they're so expensive, there's not a lot of them that are available, which is why they usually sell out pretty quickly, unlike these, which are widely available. And you could probably go on their website right now and you could probably find these still in stock. But other than that, that's pretty much the basics of what the difference is between a $20 kendama and a $100 kendama. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a thumbs up, comment down below more video ideas, and if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'll continue to put out more kendama videos in the future. Hope you guys stay for it. Yeah, and that does it. I'll see you guys later.